Ratula, keep coordinating with the site engineer and make sure the roof casting and the waterproofing are done properly. Ratula, take care of the site. Where are you?
I wasn't actually feeling well, so I'm resting in the workers' quarter now.
How's the work going?
The site engineer is on it. He will keep informing us.
Okay, but make sure it's done by the end of this week.
I'll get it done. Don't worry.
I'm worried about Olivia. I don't know how she's managing in the UK. Hopefully, she's taking her anti pollution meds on time.
She's an intelligent child. She can take care of herself.
I don't know. It freaks me out that what if the same thing that happens in Ryan's case happens again? It freaks me out when I think that it might happen to Olivia.
Kabir, if you want to keep her with you, then we can talk to an advocate and you can have her custody.
I've not given it a thought.
Hey, did you take your anti-pollution pill?
I'll have it in a while.
Listen, Kabir, you have to understand that some things are not in our hand. Nobody can change what has already happened. But we need to face our problems fearlessly with courage.
Also, Olivia is attached to Andrew. She won't be able to take the suppression.
Then think about it. Take care.
Bye, Ratula. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
How could you do this?
What do you mean?
How could you be so irresponsible? possible?
It was my responsibility to show him the world.
At the cost of his life?
But my intentions were different. I wanted him to enjoy his childhood.
So you decided to raise the stakes up to parenthood at the risk of his life.
I wanted him to be happy. I wanted him to smile.
Happy? Smile? Whom was it for? Him or you?
When I feel cold, I'll keep you close. And if I could hold you and take you home, and when at night your toes touch mine, I'll sing you to sleep if you are mine to keep. I wish I could give you my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. I wish I could leave you my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. With your breath.
Why didn't you pick up the call?
You back from work? How was your day?
Don't change the topic.
Nothing as such. Just dropped a cup. I was cleaning the kitchen floor.
Faizan texted. He also lost his child to cancer. It reminded me of Ryan.
I understand what you're feeling at the moment, love. Don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Why can't people understand the consequences of pollution? Why are people so ignorant?
Please, Kabir. It's been 10 years now. Let's not go back there for the sake of Olivia. What happened with Ryan, it was not our fault. Olivia shouldn't be punished because of what happened in our past. She does not deserve this punishment.
Yes, you are right. She's already going through a lot in abroad, staying all alone. I hope she's okay.
Yes, exactly. We did discuss about this and sent her to UK. We cannot put her through more trouble by damaging what is left between us. She needs a happy home.
How can we give her a happy home when there's nothing left between us?
Why don't you approach Ratula then?
Please, not this again. I'm tired of this daily drama.
Sure, I'm the one who does this daily drama.
Whatever. How's Olivia? Have you spoken to her since the morning?
No, I had many counseling sessions since morning. I was wondering how ironic it is. Being a psychotherapist, I help people deal with their thoughts every day. Yet, I am unable to deal with mine. Anyways, let's see what Olivia must be doing now.
Keep in mind that she's unaware of all these situations.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, students, see you next week.
I got the eye of the tiger. Lights off, Siri.
Turning lights off.
Ah! Lights on, Siri.
Turning lights on.
Hello, baby. Have you had your dinner?
Yes, Andrew. I'm just too tired with these late evening extra classes.
Well, what did you learn today?
We learned about the 2019 pandemic today and got an assignment of research work on masks. Well, weren't you both in school at that time? Tell me more about those days.
Ah, those were the golden days when the grounds were open, so were the restaurants. The availability of fresh air was unconditional.
Mr. Nostalgic, let's come back to reality and let's help Olivia finish her school assignments.
Yes, tell me about masks.
Tell me, Olivia, what do you understand by masks?
Aren't these masks? Andrew, COVID is now normalized. Everybody in general is vaccinated. Why do we have to still wear a mask?
I told you, sweetheart, it's because of the pollution outside. Kabir, please tell her about the mask. I'll just go and throw the scan and come back.
So, let's start from the beginning. The Wikipedia says the use of masks in ritual or ceremonies is a very ancient human practice across the world. Although masks can also be worn for protection in hunting, in sports, in feasts, or in wars, or simply used as ornamentation. The oldest mask discovered is 9,000 years old.
But in the medical field, face masks for use in surgery were developed in Europe by several physicians. Modern surgical masks began to be used in 1960s. Surgical masks were popularly worn by general public in the East Asian countries like China, Japan, South Korea and Taiwan to reduce the chance of spreading airborne diseases to others.
But what suddenly happened? The entire world, along with the Indians, started adapting to this mask tradition.
Those were happier times when people could sit together to have a wonderful evening. Children used to go to school. Earthen cups were shared. Children knew what school really meant.
Restaurants sold delicious biryanis, gulab jamuns, noodles. I really miss having those fuchkas.
Andrew, you're such a foodie. Let me say, everything was alright until 2019 December. The world was gripped by a deadly virus and everybody had to be locked indoors. This virus definitely affected the economy of a lot of countries. That time, the world kind of wrapped itself in masks. People were prohibited to go outside without masks and people were restricted to the minimal square feet.
Oh God! Permission was necessary, even for stepping out of the house. That's absurd.
It wasn't hilarious, honey. It was ghastly. A person needs 21 days to amend habits, 3 months to make that habit a part of their lifestyle. But this mask and social distancing stuck to us for 8 years. It was strange how this entire universe was shaken by this deadly virus. Times turned so hard that distances became a cure. And then started the evolution of pollution. And it was necessary again for everyone to wear masks. Diesel and petrol are illegal, and only electric cars have taken the responsibility and power of the automobile industry.
One thing that nobody talks about is the masks that we wear to protect ourselves were the reason why our hearts got distant. How every person now wears a superficial mask depicting how happy they are when deep down we all know we judge each other for every little thing we see. No one is really happy anymore. We have lost our childhood somewhere and our memories too. It's sad how a face covering mask also covered our hearts. It is a sad reality that a piece of cloth changed everything we ever knew about life.
Have you seen the time, love? Let's go to bed.
I missed you both. Good night, Dadders. I love you.
And I feel cold.
Don't worry. Dada will give you relief. We lost him. Ryan.
What?
But my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. Wish I could leave you my love, but my heart is a mess.
No one made me happier, it's true. I know it's too late to go back to you. Now I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Without me, you're happier, aren't you? Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. And nobody hurt you like I hurt you. And nobody leads you like I do. Promise that I will not take it personal. Baby, if you're moving on.
I can't see you in pain anymore, Kabir. I'll give you relief.